Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Throttle channel that brings you an alluring motor vehicle experience. Today we bring one of the most overpriced hatchback, the Toyota Auris. Exterior design. The Toyota Auris features sleek lines and a bold front grille, making a statement wherever it goes. Its aerodynamic shape not only enhances its stylish appeal, but also improves fuel efficiency. Step inside and discover the spacious and comfortable interior. With ample legroom and supportive seats, the Auris ensures a smooth and enjoyable ride for both the driver and passengers. The quality materials used in the cabin elevate the overall driving experience. Safety is a top priority for Toyota, and the Auris is no exception. Equipped with advanced safety features, such as a pre-collision system and adaptive cruise control, you can drive with peace of mind knowing that you and your loved ones are protected. The Auris comes with a user-friendly infotainment system that includes a touchscreen display, Bluetooth connectivity, and a premium sound system. Stay connected and entertained on every journey. The Auris offers a range of engine options, including a hybrid variant, providing a perfect balance between power and fuel efficiency. The smooth ride and responsive handling make every drive a joy. The Toyota Auris is a stylish, spacious, and safe vehicle that offers advanced technology and impressive performance. Is the Toyota Auris worth the price tag? The Auris is equipped with state-of-the-art technology, but that comes with a hefty price increase. You may end up paying for features you might never use. Fuel efficiency. The Toyota Auris offers decent mileage, but it falls short compared to its competitors in the same price range. Maintenance costs can also add up quickly. From regular servicing to replacing parts, the Toyota Auris has a higher maintenance cost compared to other similar models. Practicality. The Auris might not be the most spacious option out there. If you're looking for ample cargo space, you might want to explore other alternatives. Is this car value for money? Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed learning about the Toyota Auris, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more automotive content.